Welcome to Shannon's Bake World 2019 time. In today's video, I'm going to start making my very own EAS mocks. And this one's all about turning into cartoons. A silver emergency message, and shelter in place, and then silver danger, and then effective pollution, and disease warning, emergency action notification, and the end of the road. The end. I don't know why I brought that. Anyway, let's start. The small message is transmitted by request of a silver authorities. It's a silver emergency message. Some people in the state Delaware are turning into unknown characters from cartoons. Stay tuned for more information on this unusual situation. This small message is transmitted by request of the Delaware Police Department. The Delaware Police Department issued a shelter in place. Lock all windows and doors. There's been more people turning into cartoon characters, like How to Train Your Dragon, Madagascar, and Kung Fu Panda. We don't know what else is causing this. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation. This is a silver danger warning. Repeating, silver danger warning. The Delaware governor has issued a silver danger warning for the following counties and areas: Milford, Georgetown, Lewis, Rehoboth, and Dewey. People in these areas are turning into more cartoon characters that are really dangerous, and he's mentioning these few symptoms: turning into a cartoon, fever, severe diarrhea. All residents should lock their doors and windows, and if they don't, the cartoon characters will go in their house and try and attack them. Stay tuned for more information on this scary situation. Evacuate now. The United States, God has issued immediate evacuation. There's been more people that turned into cartoon characters in all 50 states of the United States of America, like California, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Maryland, blah blah blah, and especially Delaware, and that's where it started at. If you don't evacuate, you might face certain death. Stay tuned for more information. Part 2. Deadly disease warning. Repeating, deadly disease warning. Silver authorities has issued a deadly disease warning by the emergency broadcast system. It's been over 1,000 people in the United States have gotten the disease, and now people are starting to freak out with this message. Repeating, stay in your home until further notice. Turn off all, stop reading your books, stop watching TV, and stop making your very own stories on storybooth.com. Repeating, this is only a test. We are going to do a daily disease issue until 10:45 a.m. in the following following countries: USA, and it now has spread it in Canada and Mexico. We interrupt the regular programming. Important details will follow. We have to interrupt our regular programming. This is a global alert. All 198 countries have been spreaded with this disease. Repeating, this is not a test. This is an emergency action notification for all countries in the continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. All residents on the Earth globe should take shelter immediately. Go on the lowest floor of your house. Or if you don't have a lower house but an upstairs, go on the nearest ditch. If we can figure out the situation, the road will end soon. We interrupt our regular program. This is the end of the world. This is the end of the world. Important details will follow this message. The Earth will be gone in 25 minutes. Repeating, the Earth will be gone in 25 minutes. This is not a test. All the cartoon characters all over the world have made a 300 meteor asteroid come down and destroy Earth life and all human life. We will now play our national anthem for the final time. May God bless you in our final land. Oh, say, can you say? Geico, 15% of more can save you 50% off car insurance. The end. Alright guys, that was a silly video, not that silly. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. And like this video, leave comments down below, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Geico.